a man. All I ever needed was a plan. Tell JK that I'm still rolling, yeah. Tell Russell I'm a wreck, yeah. Bust that skank. Ain't nobody messing with a gang. Might take a fly out for me. Man of the year, I'm flaky. Had a couple man won't be me. Them man can't be T. Tell them only winners I'm allowed. No diggity, no diggity out. I was getting blown, but for girls were putting out. Told them I was gonna blow back when I was in the south. Go low, everybody go low. Since you want me,
whatever, ever, girl, I'm there. Whatever. And I ain't tryna flex on you. I've been working all night on a grave ship hype. I'm dead. I ain't tryna flex on you. Been alone all my life. I ain't worried about the hype. Good God. Tryna make the money flip. 2 beepers on the hip. Oh shit. But if you ain't trying to move, I find my groove like Who let that funky ass nigga up in the front door? You kept that hoe lock, kept me out of the store. I kicked in the door, put that bass on the floor like Now y'all are nervous as virgins. It's not
know that it's so, but I want to have fun. Yeah. I know that it's so, but I want to have fun. Yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Out of all the people in the world, what is the likelihood of jumping out of my life and into yours? Maybe, baby, I'm just losing my mind. 'Cause it's a trouble, but it feels right. Keeping on the edge of heaven and hell.